Hi, I'm Camilla Blossom Bishop, and I'm a land alchemist, a flower essence alchemist, and a soul midwife. I've been working for many decades as a healer and teacher about flower essences and connecting with the spirit of nature. And I'm at a time now where I'm really gathered together all of these things that I've learned and experienced and worked with to offer property clearing for your home, for your office, or your land. And that can include a farm, a lot, whatever place. And I offer this really to support this dawning of the new earth, the way that we're co-creating with nature and bringing that spirit, that magic, that beauty into our lives. And it really is through how we connect with land, whether that's just by doing honoring or offerings or working more with the magic and the fairies. Whatever way is yours is great, but we're really being asked to work on that relationship with our land, our home, our place, and come into a marriage, if you will, in some cases. And so my goal is really to help you create a happier, calm, peaceful place that really feels supportive and it doesn't tank your energy. It just feels good to be in your home or on your land, in the garden, and you're inspired by that. And also that you want to feel in tune with the nature spirits, the trees, the elements, elementals, the fire, earth, air, and water. That really there is a sense of balance on the land, and there's not energies of the people that lived there before. So why would you want to do one? Well, sometimes there are hauntings or spirits that hang out on land or homes from the past. There's emotions that people that used to live there leave behind, even conflicting, argumentative energy. There's EMFs, there's geopathic stress. You may be moving to a new place or looking for a new place. Or you may just not feel like there's not much magic. It feels kind of depleted and out of sorts, and it's not supporting your energy. And so really to bring that into alignment is why I'm offering these property clearings. And I'll be doing them in the Big Island this winter and then coming to the mainland in May, and I will be offering these clearings as well as workshops in how to do this yourself. So let me know if you're interested. You can look at my website at camillablossom.com. Look around for more information, and I do phone sessions as well if you want to tune in. Let's say you're looking for a place and want to tune in etherically, or if you'd like to schedule an in-person property clearing, I'd be delighted to do that with you and also share the teachings that go along with it. So thank you and enjoy your day. Aloha from the Big Island.